everything back together now. Got my battery reconnected. All the belts are on. And I'm going to go inside and turn it over. See what happens. The key is on. Key is on. Engine check. Door jar. Here we go. Turning it over. Battery's looking good. Fuel's looking good. Brake is on. Oil pressure's pegged. Okay, can't really see down in here very well. Harmonic balancer, I mean, looks fine. Okay, this engine has not been running. I'm going to let it build up some temperature. I've probably got to add fluid to the radiator through here, and then run it up a little bit after it gets warmed up.
Seems to be purring.
Okay, she seems to be idling pretty good. I don't have the driver information center coming up like it's supposed to, and I'm running about 220. It goes up to 240 and then drops back down. I can't tell if the cooling fans are coming on. I should be able to hear them, but I'm not hearing them unless they're really quiet. And my little information center here that tells you the climate control and all, it doesn't seem to be lit up, so I've got to check a bunch of fuses and check the cooling fans, make sure that they're working. But for now, it seems to be running fine. Everything's looking good, sounding good. Needs some new gas in it. But till the next video, and I'm not sure which one that'll be. Cars, Trucks, and Detours coming to you from inside 1998 Corvette stock. Okay, there goes the temperature gauge, and bye for now.